You buy on Ethereum and they farm on multiple chains and return profits to the holders. Today we're talking about Multi-Chain Capital, this interesting project that I recently discovered. I'm going to talk with you guys today. As always, do your own research to figure out if this project is for you. So we're going to talk all about this exciting project and everything that's going on with it. Pretty simple, and so I kind of just wanted to walk this through with you guys right now. So here on the website at MCC.Holdings, Multi-Chain Capital, you buy an Ethereum, we farm on multiple chains, return profits to holders. Really simple. So we'll check out the dashboard, view on DEX tools, and then show you guys how to be involved. But essentially, they're showing you guys how to purchase it if you guys want to. And this is new. They're showing 100x. I mean, obviously that's what they hope to buy, but it's kind of cool. They show you kind of a quick video on everything that's going on with this. Head over to the website to get started. They kind of show you just everything going on, but we're going to talk about all this stuff today. Cool. Like I said, pretty simple. So here's their dashboard. You can check liquidity, future buyback adjust, MCC price coming soon. Portfolio value, $19 million. That's crazy. Marketing wallet, $2.3 million. So here's the farming wallets. These are the 4 places that they farm if you haven't seen from the logo. Ethereum, Avalanche, Fantom, and Polygon. Obviously, Ethereum is where they're doing most of this stuff. But cool. So let's jump into the documentation and talk about what they're trying to achieve here. So it says each MCC token represents share in the profits of multi-chain capital. As profits accumulate in the treasury, they are bridged change with lower gas costs, invest into yield farms and auto compounding vaults. We will be yield farming on the following chains: Polygon, Fantom, and Avax. So here's tokenomics. So million, billion, trillion. So max supply 1 trillion MCC. 10% of each buy goes to existing holders. And then 10% of each sell goes to multi-chain farming to add to the treasury and buy back MCC tokens. So the treasury is what's important because that's what they're using to farm, right? So pretty simple. And then if you guys want to go more in depth into this, how this works, overall current investments and how liquidity buybacks work, I think the benefit of this project is that they're super transparent with everything that they're doing. In the world of decentralized finance, buybacks are a prevalent mechanism and support price. However, most projects will buy back and burn, which has nothing to do with improve the position of the LP liquidity pool. In sharp contrast, MCC, based on a community vote, has improved the buyback process by increasing liquidity at the same time. So buyback MCC tokens, add liquidity to MCC, LP pool, lock the liquidity, and that's it. So they talk about current Fantom investments cover the following sectors, and they talk about that. Talking about Spartacus, which I'm actually going to be talking about in a future video. Hector DAO, which I've talked about in a future video. Tomb, FTM, Fantom. I don't talk too much about Fantom. I probably talked about 2 or 3 projects on Fantom before. They talk about Avalanche investments. Obviously, Wonderland Time is the place to farm. Farming Blitz using WETH. On Blizz.finance. I've heard a lot of good things about Blitz. I haven't heard about it. Obviously, you guys should be familiar with Wonderland and Time staking, about the crazy APYs. But cool. So essentially what happens is that by holding this, you're a part of the reward system. And they're kind of acting like VC, where they're making investments or farming to make sure that they continue to build up their portfolio. So that's essentially what's happening, and you can see and they kind of talk about like the value, the profit, and they talk about some of the income which is coming soon, expenses, buybacks plus gas, and then APR. So they want to keep super transparent of everything going on. And that's it. I mean, it's relatively simple. I said that from the beginning. If you guys want to look at the price, there's 10,000 people involved, 13 million right now. It's at a dip right now. I mean, crypto has been down, but you know, like I said, it might be a good time to jump in. Obviously not financial advice, do your own research, but it's the lowest it's been since the start, right? And this is a fairly new project. So right now, they're working hard on updating, understand everyone's concerns at the moment. They have this like airdrop thing going on. They're migrating to MCC version 2.0. So definitely, if you guys are into this project, do your own research and definitely check this out. We'll be airdropping anyone version 2 tokens of the same amount in ETH as you owned in V1. So if you're previous owners of this, you own this already, you'll be getting the same amount of tokens. So follow in Telegram for latest information there. But I think if you are planning to buy in, then you should be waiting for the version 2 one. So cool. They had held a Twitter space, which I guess is like a chat to answer you guys' questions. Obviously, they had a lot of exciting things. They had 10, obviously we looked at 10,000 holders. They were number 1 trending on DEX tools, 1,000 ETH in buybacks. The next era of DeFi 3.0 has begun with farming as a service, right? Because you're investing in them because they're the ones farming for you. So you don't have to do it yourself, but you're still getting the rewards. Cool. They had some updates here. Token distribution, I see, has changed significantly to become more fair. The black hole address to the top holder. The Uniswap LP is the largest holder, which means no one else can divest their holdings and wreck the chart. So let's check out some of the updates on their Telegram. So if you guys have any questions on this project, definitely check out their Telegram. Obviously, with this upgrading or migrating of their to version 2.0, I think there's definitely a lot of things going on. But if you guys are new to it, obviously, I think the move is to wait for version 2.0. But like I said, you shouldn't have that issue if you already bought. But what's also good is that you should follow on Twitter because they are super, obviously, because they want to be transparent on this project. They talk about all their investments and what they do and what the kind of the return is. So it's cool. Like I said, these guys know what they're doing. They know how to farm and obviously grow their portfolio. So if you guys want to be a part of that, especially if there's things that like Wonderland Time that interest you and some of these other chains that you just don't dabble in, this might be an easy way to jump in. Obviously, do your own research, not financial advice, but I've seen a lot of people really excited about this type of structure. And like I said, if you're interested in this, definitely follow them and check them out too. So thanks everyone for watching. Catch you guys next time. I'll put the link in the description so you guys can do your own research. But that's it. That's MCC Holdings. I'm gonna do more videos on anime tokens in the near future, and then crypto education, and got a couple of exciting NFT collection videos coming as well. So thanks everyone for watching. Catch you guys next time.